Away from weather and traffic, we have Alex Lee, who is trying. Can you tell I'm over the Ticketmaster story?
I also do not want to hear about it anymore.
Exactly. Let's get over to meteorologist Byron Brenda, though. He is talking about a crazy forecast.
This is a big-time storm that will impact the commute this afternoon. I would take public transportation because anytime you see a drop, we have problems, but there is the potential for seeing even some thunderstorms. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, and I don't do this unless I think I need to update you. If I see anything that looks like it's going to be serious thunderstorms popping here, go to Byron Pix11 Instagram, Byron Pix11 on Instagram right now. Follow me there. I'll update you if I see some good thunderstorms hitting us later with this cold air rushing into the warm air. You're saying, Byron, where's the cold air? Where it's on top of us, right? There's just some snow to the west of us. This is a big-time storm. The area of low pressure is well to the south of us. It's about 149 miles away as far as the leading precipitation heading this way. If you clock it out at 40 miles an hour, it should get here about 10. There's the low. It's over, the Tennessee Valley. But this low is going to go over the ocean, become a coastal low. And that's going to act like it's a nor'easter to bring us a lot of rain and snow initially, and then rain, and then a mess later tonight with the winds. Hour by hour, this is a 10. Now, this is model number 1. This model is not as aggressive as the HER model, which I'll show you at 45 after the hour. But at 10, it's showing you in earnest we're starting to see some light rain. Maybe not hitting the ground at 10, but it will hit it by 11, 12 o'clock. Snow. Now, hold on to that. This is rain, it says, but we're cold right now. And I see dew points 32 or below. This should be snow flying at lunchtime. And then by 2 p.m., it should be all rain as the warmer air starts to collide with this cold air north and west. That will give us some lift between 4 o'clock if you're getting on the roads, 5 o'clock. Here we go. I see yellow here. That means strong updrafts and downdrafts. That means heavy downpours, local ponding on the roads. I would not want to drive in this because that's going to cause a lot of, delays. Through 8:30 into 10:30, the same situation. Moderate to heavy rain possible. There could be some local flooding in some areas because we could pick up 1 to 2 inches of rain. 1 to 2 inches of rain by the time this storm is over. At 45 after the hour, I'm going to take you through the winds and everything. But right now, I'm getting you into the temperatures, and it's going to be extremely wet. Keep the umbrella at the ready after 10 this morning, after 9 this morning. Tracking windy and cold. Well, it's going to be windy because we've got this area of low pressure, a coastal low, closely packed with a high. And if you have a high and a low that close together, what happens is you get a pressure gradient. The wind squeezes through the high and the low, and it causes high winds. Winds right now, this afternoon, it says 10 to 20. Well, this says 10 to 15. That's wrong. It's going to be up to 25 miles an hour, gusting up to 40. Our temperatures, though, the good news is we're going to transport some of that warmth from the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll be in the upper 30s to low 40s later this afternoon to the evening hours. And then tomorrow, the same situation. High winds again, but the temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s early. And then in the evening hours, they're going to drop. And then by Saturday morning, with winds out of Canada, it will feel like 20 degrees Saturday morning. That's a big change in a hurry. 43 today and just an absolute mess for the afternoon commute, Alex. I suspect people want to take that public transportation.